Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to talk about trading for beginners. Okay, so if you're a beginner trader, this video will really benefit you because I'm going to give you an overview of what you really need to become a serious trader, okay, that really makes money from the markets. All right, so the very first thing you need is technical analysis. You need to have knowledge of technical analysis, TA. Okay, you need to have knowledge of technical analysis. You need to know the rudiments. All right, rudiments, when I say rudiments, I mean you need to know what the chart patterns are, what it is to what's it called, the different strategies that you could possibly have. You don't need to know all the strategies, but you need to learn a few of them and backtest them in order for you to find what really makes sense to you. Okay, so you're going to spend a lot of time in this technical analysis stage, all right, for you to be able to personally analyze the charts without the help of anyone. Okay, so you learn it, then you apply the knowledge. So technical analysis, you know, is a very, very important part of your journey, being a master at technical analysis. The next thing is understanding fundamental analysis and how it affects your trades. Okay, FA. This has to do with the news, economic and social events that affect the currency pair or the commodity or whatever it is you are trading. So you need to understand fundamental analysis. Most beginner traders don't pay attention to this. They don't pay attention to this. They just focus on the technical analysis. They want to know the different chart patterns, the different break and retest systems, the different the different candlestick patterns and all of that, which is okay, but the game is broader than you think. So you need to understand that fundamental analysis should also be paid attention to, and for you to know which news and when it's going to be released, then you need to go to, I want to give you the sites I use. There are so many sites out there, but this is the one I use, Forex Factory. forexfactory.com. okay, I have no affiliation with them. I'm just giving you what I use. Okay, forexfactory.com. all right, forexfactory.com. You are going to see the news events that have already taken place, the one that is currently taking place and the one that will take place in the future. You're going to see all of them listed out. So depending on how you trade, you can be a trader that trades the news also, or you can be a trader that does not trade the news but is aware of when certain high impact news releases is going to be. Then you know, do not trade at those times. Okay, so that's the second thing you're going to need. And the next thing on my list that I think I want to help you with as a beginner trader is go and master risk management. There are several books on risk management. Go and master risk management. Okay, so risk management is an area you need to work on. You need to understand what your risk to reward ratio is, how to manage a trade and all of that, lot sizes that you should be using based on your account balance. All right, so that's going to give you an edge so you don't go on a cycle of blowing accounts. If beginner traders can just focus on mastering risk management, the number of accounts that they blow will significantly reduce. Okay, so they don't go in a circle of blowing accounts after accounts after accounts. All right, so master your risk management, know the lot size to use and all of that. Okay, the next thing you need to know is what I call trade management. Some people think risk management and trade management are exactly the same. They are not the same. They sound similar, but they are not exactly the same. Trade management has to do with what you do while you are in a trade. Okay, if a trade has moved in your favor considerably, you should be able to move your stop loss to lock in some profits. That is trade management. You are managing a trade that is actively open. Okay, so that's trade management. It has to do with the smart moves you make as a smart trader while you are trading, while you are in a trade. Okay, so that's the next thing you need to go and master. All right, so the next thing I would like to, hope I'm not forgetting anything. I'm just trying to give you an overview of what you need to master. Okay, the next thing I would recommend is psychology. Go and work on your trading psychology. It's not something you do overnight. Okay, it's gonna take you some time, but I'm listing it out. So if you have any hope of making money overnight with this is not a get rich quick scheme. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. I don't care whatever mentors might have told you. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. You will learn the hard way if you position your mind that way. Calm down, get the knowledge. Forex is a game of knowledge. Once you have mastered what you need to master and you become a master, I'm telling you, you are going to make money from this industry. They say a lot of over 90% lose. It's because over 90% have the wrong mindsets. This is not a place for you to come and play and think you are going to make money. No, you will learn the hard way if you position your mind that way. So the game is all about knowledge. If you see a forex trader doing well and another one that is not doing well, it's knowledge. There is something the other one knows that the one losing does not know. There is no perfect trader, but some traders really have an edge and they really make money from this. Okay, so I'm just giving you a piece of advice, so that you don't jump the gun. All right, don't jump the gun. Take it easy. Learn and learn. This is a game of knowledge. All right, and it's not something you do overnight. It's going to take you some time. So work on your forex psychology. Okay, you have a lot of things. You might think you are fully in control, but you are not in control. Forex will expose you to yourself. You know that you are not in control. You will decide that, okay, this is what you want to do. You do not want to take more than 2 trades in a day, but just watch what is going to happen. Once you open the charts, you would realize that you have taken like 6 trades before the end of the day. So that is the power of trading, these markets. Things will happen that you felt you were in control, but you will see yourself doing something else. You can decide before a trade that if you lose, you won't jump into a trade unless your setup lines up again. But you will lose and see yourself jumping into a trade. So who really is in control? You need to work on your psychology. So it's something that I learned the hard way. That's why I'm saying it with passion. So you don't go and learn the hard way too. You know that these things exist. Okay, your emotions are going to play games on you. So when you now become a master, then you can you can perform better in these markets. All right, so I'm going to recommend some books. Okay, The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas, and also that's for your forex psychology. The book really helped me. And also Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. You can go and get these books and read them up. Okay, so if you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.